Now can you hear me properly? I hope you are. Yes. So now first our work is make a column, okay, this, and make another column, making 2 rods, one's column and 2 and make 3. Okay. So, I have, you all are making this ones and twos column. Yes. Now, I am first number A, (34). First 34. Now how, now what are you doing here? First 3 tens, sorry, here is tens, not 2, yes, tens, all are wrong here, you write tens, not 2, ones and tens. So first 3 and 4, so that means 34. Then what are the question? That is the draw the beads. Then first we are doing in ones column, that means 4. So 4 beads I have to draw here, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay? That is 4 ones, that means 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 beads I have drawn here. Now 3 tens, that means only 3, 1, 2, 3. That means 3 tens, 4 ones. Okay? I have drawn here 3 tens, 4 ones. That means 3 beads in tens column and 4 beads in ones column, 1, 2, 3, 4. All of you written? Yes, Nandini, 3 tens, 4 ones. Very good. Next, number B. 48. Okay? 48. 4 tens, that means 4 tens, 8 ones. 4 tens, 8 ones. Yes. Somrik also joined. Shugato, Jashimali, yes, very good. So those are joined now. Now they are. Please start the writing with your notebook or copy and start the writing A, B and next we are doing C. So now number B, 4 tens, 8 ones. That means now we are drawing the beads, 8 tens, that means 8 beads I will draw here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And 4 tens means in tens column I will draw only 4 beads, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay? Completed? Your writing also completed? That means 4, 8, that means 48, 4 tens, 8 ones and I am drawing here these beads in ones column, 8 beads are here and tens column 4 beads are here, only 4 beads. Okay? Next, number C, tens, 0 ones, 5 tens, 0 ones, 5 tens, 0 ones, that means 50. That is why in ones column there is empty, no ones, that means nothing is here, and in tens column only 5 beads I have to draw here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay? 50, that means 5 0, 5 tens, 0 ones or no ones, that means in ones column there is nothing, is empty, and in tens column I have drawn here 5 beads, that means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, students? Ankita Das also joined this class. 4 tens, yes. Who has written? Jashim, yes, 50. You will draw these beads in your copy. As usual, this as the same in the school, that's like whatever you are doing in the school, you are doing in from your home. Okay. All these things you have to write in your copy. So, these 3 you have completed. Now, shall I rub this board? If you say the answer yes, that after that I am rubbing this board. Yes, Nandini, thank you. Shomrik also, thank you. Inakshi. Okay. So, most of the students are sending this answer is yes, they have completed. That is why I am erasing or rubbing this board. So, 3 beads, 3 column we have completed. Now, 2 more. Number again we are drawing same 2 dots, and this is very important. You should write these ones and tens. It is our number D. And another I have draw this here, again 2 beads, ones, tens. This is our E. So, number D I have written here 25. 25. What is the expanded form of 25? Come on, answer. What is the expanded form of 25? Hurry up. Let's see who has given the answer is first. What is the expanded form of 25? Nandini, very good, and Shomrik also, very good. They both are written correct answer, given correct answer. Ayan also given correct answer, very good. Shugato, no, your answer is not. Okay, Nandini, your one spelling is wrong, please check it. Yes, Shugato has written correct now, and Inakshi also given correct answer. So, our answer is 2 tens, 5 ones. 2 tens, 5 ones. That means now we are drawing these beads. It's okay, Nandini, no problem. 2 tens, 5 ones. That means how to draw these beads. 5 ones means 5 beads we have to draw in ones column. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Only 5 beads in ones column. And 2 tens means in tens column we have to draw 1, 2. Only 2 beads are here. So, that means 2 tens, 5 ones. In ones column we have draw 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 beads, and tens column 1, 2, only 2 beads are here. That means 2 tens, 5 ones. Okay. Yes, Ayushman also given correct answer, very good. Now, next number 5. 44. 44. First you give the answer, what is the expanded form of 44? Come on, write 44. Let's see who will be the first. Ayan, very good. Aishman also given correct answer, very good. Nandini, very nice. Inakshi, very good. Shomrik also given correct answer. So many students are given correct answer. 4 tens and 4 ones. 4 tens, 4 ones. That means we have to draw the beads in ones column 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And in tens column also 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 tens, 4 ones. That means 4 tens, 4 ones. Shugato, that means 4 tens and 4 ones. Okay, 4 tens, 4 ones. Yes. If it is 1, then you will write 1. Because, but 1 10. But here is 4 tens or 4 ones. Okay, S is also adding over there. Yes, Shugato, welcome. So that is the first activity, draw the beads. Now I just want to say one very important thing, that when we are making this column, just I have given 2 rods and here is written ones and tens. And what is the question? What was that? That's draw the beads. That time I am giving here only 2 rods. There is no beads, nothing you have to it. Only I have given this ones and 10 and empty 2 rods. You just draw. Who? Jasim. Okay, Jasim, please disconnect the call and again you join this call. First you disconnect it and again you rejoin this. Okay, so this is known as abacus technique or abacus method. Okay, so just I have given you these 2 rods, 2 abacus system, 2 rods and just written 1 and 2, and I have given the worksheet in the, or the question that is draw the beads. Draw the beads. Okay, draw the beads. That means here is nothing. You will draw according to the question or according to the number. You will draw how many beads is required in this rod. Okay, that is our first activity. Next, number 2 activity, which I have given or uploaded in your e-portal or worksheets, that is color the beads. Color the beads according to the number to the given numbers. Okay. Now you should color the beads. Okay, you will see this, color the beads, and the first one was draw the beads, but number 2 question is color the beads. Okay, that is different thing. So what I am doing again, first our work is make this column, make this rod first and 2 BL rods first I have made here and written here ones, tens. Okay, that is our first work. And now our work is, I have given or I have drawn over these beads 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. See very carefully, I have drawn the beads only 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay? And another rod, again I have drawn here 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay? So, it is very important. Here I have drawn in the 2 rods 9 beads, not 10 beads. Only 9 beads I have drawn. Look at here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. In tens column also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. Why I have drawn here in 9 beads? Because you know this, from 1 or 0 to 9, these are the single digits, and we have drawn in a single rod only 9 single digit. From 0 to 9 only we are draw here. Whenever when it is 10, that means 2 digit, then we are not draw over in a one single rod. Okay. In a single rod we have drawn only 9 beads over there, not only 10, because most of the students, you have draw these beads, or in this abacus system you have to draw 11, someone is drawn has 12, 13. No, that is wrong. Only 9 beads we have to draw here. Okay. If the question is color the beads, when we are given the question color the beads, that means our in abacus system, in this rod, in a single rod we have to draw only 9 beads, not 10. Okay. So, our first question number A is, suppose 2 tens, 3 ones, 2 tens, 3 ones. Now, we have colored it 3 beads, 1, 2, 3, and 2 tens means 1, 2. That means 2 tens and 3 ones we have colored only according to these numbers, we have colored these beads, 3 tens, 2 ones. Okay. Next, number B, again I am drawing here another this column and written ones and tens. This is very important. First you have to write this ones and tens, and you have to draw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and in also tens column also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, not 10, only 9 in ones column and tens column also. Okay. And our question is, suppose 1, 6, 1, 6, 16, 1 tens, 6 ones. Okay. And you should color 6 ones, means you should color 6 beads, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 1 tens means in tens column only 1 beads you should color here. So, that means 1 tens, 6 ones, but when is the question is color the bead, whenever you are drawing this column, you should write this only 9 beads over there, only 9 beads. In a single rod you should draw only 9 beads, not 10, not 11, because from 10 that means 2 digit. So, 2 digit, not in one single rod we should not draw 2 digit. Okay. That means we should draw from 9, we should draw 9 beads here. Okay. So, this is our answer is 1 tens, that means 1 beads is here and 6 beads we have to color here. Okay. So, now I hope those are sending me this worksheet, that means color the beads, those are drawn 10, 11, 13 beads in one column, there, that means they are wrong. Okay. Whenever you are colored the beads, that type of question will come, you should draw 9 beads in each column. Okay. That then after you will draw whatever according to this number, given number. Okay. So, now it is our today's class, and I hope you all are copy in this class whatever we have written or whatever we are doing in this class, all this you should practice in your copy. Okay. So, next day we will meet again. Stay safe and goodbye. Thank you.